Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic 10 tech ways to play Sega Genesis games today. Sega Genesis Mega Drive console was one of the best entertainment sources for the kids of the 1980s. It was a virtual playground for many kids who used to enjoy games like Super Mario and Sonic the Hedgehog. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 tech ways to play Sega Genesis games today. Starting with first, through PC emulators. Even though the hardware to play the Sega games is no longer in production, you can still play those games on your PC using emulators. After the rise of computers in the late 80s and 90s, the PC gaming industry has grown enormously since Sega games were quite popular during the time and many people still went to play those games. Next is get the original Sega Genesis. Since the Sega Genesis Mega Drive console was trendy among the kids in 80s and 90s, it is possible that many people might have kept it just for collection purposes. If that in case, it won't be surprising that if you find the original Sega Genesis on online reseller sites such as eBay or auction sites. Next is play classic Sega games on modern console. If you do not wish to spend money on getting the original Sega Genesis console, there is a way to play the classic Sega games on any of your modern console. The Sega Genesis Classic Collection is an excellent collection of the popular classic Sega games. Next is Sega Genesis Mini. Like every other major gaming console developer like Nintendo, Sony and other, Sega Genesis also has a mini version of its known by Sega Genesis Mini. Although it's a tiny and non-versatile version of the original Sega Genesis, it still has a good collection of old games which would surely bring back your old memories. Next is Nintendo Switch eShop. Nintendo Switch is one of the popular gaming consoles in modern time. It is the most successful game console of all the time. One of the reasons for the popularity of Switch is eShop. The Nintendo Switch eShop provides gamers with not only modern games but also with a vast collection of old Sega classic games. Next is play Sega games on 3DS. Although Nintendo has already stopped producing one of its popular consoles, Nintendo 3DS, for the individuals who already own a 3DS console, the Nintendo eShop is there to satisfy their gaming craving. As already mentioned in the previous section, the Nintendo eShop has a vast collection of retro Sega games. Next is Sonic's Ultimate Genesis Collection. Sonic has compiled a collection of the best of Sega Genesis games in the form of Sonic Ultimate Genesis Collection. The gamers can get their hand on every possible retro Sega game from Sonic, Mario to Comix Zone. Next is modern retro consoles. Retro consoles are always popular among old and new gamers. Because of this fact, many modern gaming consoles like Polymega, Analog Mega SG and other come with support to the vintage game cartridges including the Sega Genesis. Next is all-in-one consoles. When you search on the internet, you will find that many manufacturers like Retrobit and Minigen provide multiple slots for inserting any type of old and new cartridges for playing the game, including the Sega Genesis. Although such all-in-one consoles look tempting and a great way to utilize the old cartridges. Next is download retro games. If you want to play Sega Genesis game on your PC, you can download these games. The same is available for Mac and smartphone devices. For the Apple, iPad and iPhone users, games like Sonic the Hedgehog, Golden Axe are also available in the App Store. Last but not the least, in the conclusion, I would like to say that this is all about 10 tech ways to play Sega Genesis games today. If you find any new way, don't forget to write in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you everyone.